How to log in Wells Fargo Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Wells Fargo Bank. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for Wells Fargo. Now, out of the search results, you want to tap on the one that is wellsfargo.com. This will land you on the official website of Wells Fargo. Now, you want to tap on the Sign On option at the top of your screen. Here, you want to tap on the username option and enter your username. Next, you want to enter the password. If you want your username to be saved, tap on the box that says Save Username. Now, you want to tap on the Sign On option. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully signed into Wells Fargo Bank. However, if you have forgotten your username or password, you can tap on this link that says Forgot Username or Password. Now, you will be able to retrieve your username or password using these three options. You can either enter your social security number or ITIN, or you can use your username. You can also search it by your account number, so select whichever option you want. If you select your account number, simply enter that and tap on the continue option. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your username or reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.